Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy horse in Rust. So go to the barn and then you'll hear some music right here, and go to this NPC and you click on I would like to buy a horse right here, and buy a saddle. You can buy double horse saddle and you can buy single horse saddle, and here you can buy high quality horse shoes. So if those are cheap, take those two. And after that, go and search for the horse. You can examine. If you go to the horse and click on examine, you can see the health, max speed and stamina, and you can select and examine every horse like this. Just examine and see all the details. So if I want to take, let's say, this horse, what I will need to do is hold interact button, and then I will need to add a single saddle like this. After that, I can select examine and put my equipment right like this, and then I will be able to ride my horse. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.